Okay, in this video, we're going to do a live enrollment. The lead who we've been talking to, which is James Smith here, you can see in brackets test, so it's a dummy account. James is keen to do the next pathology course, which starts on the 3rd of July over here in Perth. He's going to do the Cert 3. And what we're going to do now is take you through how to do this process nice and slowly. So the first thing we need to do here, we know he's actually enrolling in the program. So outside of Salesforce, we've sent him all the enrollment forms, that sort of thing. So we're just going to click Converted here, and we're going to select the status. Okay, so he is enrolled. Make sure that the record owner is yourself. So Angus here is me. What happens with the account is Salesforce actually looks through the whole system and sees if it also has a James Smith, which matches the name and the email and a few other things, and creates an account for us. So it will see if it's on there. If we haven't got an account already, you can just leave that blank and it will create it. So then we need to give an opportunity name. And the reason we use an opportunity is because that pegs it back to the specific course which we're doing. So what we just do here is we use their exact name. So James Smith. Okay, so we're going to convert James and from here you can see that it's actually created the person account for James and the opportunity. Now we want to make sure the opportunity, which is what we're working on, goes straight back to the course. So we'll click on James Smith here, the opportunity, and you'll see it's a little bit different than the lead path because there's just two fields, course allocation and closed. So the first thing I want to do is make sure we get him into a course. So we'll just press edit course there, and you just go Cert 3, and it's pathology, so path, and we might put Perth because it's in Perth. And then there it is, July the 3rd, the exact course we wanted to put him in. Okay, and we then just at this point just go save. And the big thing we do here is we actually add in the product. So over here is a little toggle, and the toggle down there, we add the product. And we'll add WA. Okay, so now we just need to find the Cert 3 pathology, which is right here in WA. And we go next. So all our products will be in here, so you can select each one. So James is just doing he's just one person. We know that the fee for service rate in this example is 3,000. And in WA there's no funding, so his contribution is 3,000. But the total value of James's whole enrollment is 3,000. So in a state where the whole value is say 4,000, but James is paying $500 of that because of government funding, this is where you can put in that 500, and that actually won't add up. So we know that James is paying 500, but the whole value to LTT is 3,000. So in this case, it's 3,000. Okay, so save. So now we've successfully added the course, which James is doing. We know how much we're going to get for his enrollment. We know how much he's paying as a part of that. And we know which product he's doing. So we just click closed and we close stage. So this opportunity is closed 1. So we are done. Now, just as an example, now if we look at courses, and we have a look at that course in Perth, which is actually down here. Here's James over here. He's already in the course, so we can see what's going on. And as the course starts filling up, you'll see all the different people in there, how much they've paid, that sort of thing. So there you go.